Hello and nice to see you again. In this video, we are going to look at hard drill question in physics about motion in straight line. In this question, we'll start by calculating the acceleration in the first 4 seconds of the race. So in part A, we know that acceleration in speed time graph or velocity time graph is equal to slope of a line. This is the line. We know that the sprinter is accelerating. Hence, acceleration is equal to slope of a line. The y value is 9 minus 0, the origin here 0, divided by 4 seconds, which is 4, final time is 4, initial time is 0. Hence we get 9 over 4, which is equal to 5 meter per second square. Now let's look at part B. The distance covered by the sprinter in the first 20 seconds of the race. Now the distance covered in a speed time graph is equal to area under the graph. So we're going to find the area of this triangle first, and then we're going to find the area of this rectangle. So area of triangle, just say part B over here, area of a triangle is equal to half times base times height, which is equal to half times, we know base is 4 and the height is 9, which comes to, if you simplify this, it comes to 18 meters. And then we're going to find the area A is equal to of a rectangle, which is base times height, which is equal to base is 20 minus 4. We got 20 here and 4 here. So this distance over here is going to be 16. Okay, times the height. Height is 9. So this comes to 16 times 9, which is equal to 144 meters. So total area is equal to 18 plus 144, which comes to 162 meters. Hence, distance covered in first 20 seconds of the race is equal to 162 meters. Now let's look at the part C, the value of U over here, U. In part C, we're going to find the area of this triangle over here. If you draw the triangle, we got 9 here, we got U here, we have 20, and over here is 25. So area A of a triangle is half times base times height, which is equal to half times base is 20 minus 25, which is 5, times height. Now height is 9 minus u. We simplify this and we get 22.5 minus 2.5 u. At the same time, again, we need to find the area of this rectangle. The area of rectangle, again, if we look at, we have 20, we have 25, and we got 0 over here, and u. So area of a rectangle is equal to base times height, and base is 20 minus 25, which is 5, and height is u, which is equal to 5 u. Now we are given that the sprinter runs total race of 200 meters. That means from 0 till 25 seconds total distance is 200 meters. But first 20 seconds we found out that the distance run is 162 meters. So distance run between 20 and 25 seconds, last 5 seconds, is equal to 200 minus 162 meters, which is equal to 38 meters. And distance ran in last 5 seconds is equal to area under the graph. So area of this triangle, which we found already, which is 22.5 minus 2.5u over here, and area of rectangle, which is 5u. Hence, we do 22.5 minus 2.5u plus 5u is equal to 38 meters. We simplify this, we get 22.5 minus 2 plus 2.5 u is equal to 38 meters. We simplify this further, we get 2.5u is equal to 15.5. Hence u is equal to 15.5 divided by 2.5, which is equal to 6.2 meters per second. Hence value of u is equal to 6.2 meter per second. I hope this is well understood how to find value of u. Value of u we have found by calculating the distance in last 5 seconds. We found the formulas, we found the area of triangle and rectangle in terms of u, and then we equated those two equations equal to 38 meters. Now let's look at last part of the question. We need to find deceleration of the sprinter in the last 5 seconds of the race. We know again, let me just change the color. Part D, deceleration is equal to slope of a line. If we find the slope of this line over here, which will be negative, that means the sprinter is deaccelerating and coming to a stop. So the final velocity at the stop over here is value of u, which is 6.2 meters. per second. So 6.2 minus initial, which is 9, divided by final time is 25 minus 20. This will get minus 2.8. We simplify this further and we get minus 0.56 meter per second square. Is minus, that means is deaccelerating. So deacceleration is equal to 0.56 meter per second square. I hope you have understood all the steps which we have done in calculating acceleration in first 4 seconds, distance covered in first 20 seconds, the value of u, and the deacceleration in last 5 seconds. Remember, you can always rewatch this video few times, and doing some of the practice problems will help to all sink in. As always, thank you for watching Standout Scholars, and see you next time. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe and click on bell notification icon for some useful educational related stuff from Standout Scholars. Thank you.